On behalf of the European People's Party, I am delighted to express my words of support and encouragement for you and for your candidate, Milan Zver, in the lead-up to the Slovenian presidential elections on 11th November 2012. I am pleased that Milan Zver, member of the European Parliament, was nominated by the Slovenian Democratic Party together with the Christian Democratic Party, both member parties of the EPP. In these presidential elections, it is a time for change. It is crucial to look for a president who will unite Slovenians, not divide them. The presidential candidate must emphasize the commonalities, not the differences of the Slovenian citizens. The next president of your country should be an experienced politician, engaged to work for the well-being of all Slovenians. In what continue to be difficult times in Europe and in its member states, it is also important for our political family to stand by our fundamental values, advocated not only at the European level, but also at the national level, to come together for the common good, as you have shown by uniting for the future in your support for a common candidate, Milan Zver, the center-right candidate for the presidential elections. Dear friends, Milan Zver is the right candidate to become president of Slovenia. He is an experienced politician. As minister, he successfully led the Council of the European Union for Education, Youth, Culture and Sports during the Slovenian presidency of the European Union. He was elected member of the European Parliament in 2009, where he plays a prominent role and was chosen to be the head of the Slovenian delegation to our EPP group in the European Parliament. Moreover, as the candidate for SDS and NSE, I know that he will defend our common EPP values. And I am sure that he will be capable of uniting the Slovenians and will gain respect from Slovenian voters across the political spectrum. You can place your trust in him. And I would like to express my full support to Milan Zver's candidacy at the forthcoming presidential elections. And I am sure that with your support, Milan Zver can succeed in the elections on the 11th of November 2012. United for the future. Združujmo za prihodnost.